Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to find first derivative by definition. So now I will show you how to answer. We can put number 2 go outside. So we have number 5 over the square root of number 2 multiplied by the square root of s. Now the formula of this one, that should be like this. We use about the limit and we have delta s approach to number 0. So we have the function s plus delta s minus f of s, and we have delta s. Now I will put this one go in here, and this one that is about this one. Next, number 5 and the square root of number 2, we can do about factorization. Next, we multiply by s, we multiply by the square root of s, and the second one that is about the square root of s plus delta s. Now I will put this one go to the denominator. So they have like this. Next, we have the formula in here. A minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So to create about this one, we need to multiply by the square root of s plus the square root of s plus delta s on numerator and denominator. So this one we change by this one. So this one we cancel. Delta s we simplify. Next, delta s approach to number 0. We put number 0 on here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one we have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.